Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about stock transfers. So what is stock transfer? A physical transfer of material from one location to other location, that is from one storage location to other storage location within the same plant, or from one plant to other plant within same company code or different company codes. Then that movement is called as a stock transfer movement. If you are doing stock transfer within plant, then we'll do stock transfer from one storage location to other store location. So there are two different procedures are available to do store to store stock transfer. Okay, and those procedures are one step procedure and two step procedure. Similarly, if we want to do stock transfer across plant, then we can do this stock transfer from one plant to other plant with one step procedure and two step procedure. So one by one we'll see all these scenarios in our system. So we'll log in into the system. Okay, we'll go to system. So first scenario, we'll check store to store stock transfer with one step procedure. So for this we'll just go to one application, stock single material. Okay, let me check material test FG MT4 is available. So okay, we have one material test hyphen mg fg m84. Okay, it has a material type FERT and based on a measure age. And for this material we have a stock available under plant 1711, and under 1711 we have stock available in storage location 0001. 100 quantity stock available under 0001, and in 0002 we don't have any stock available. So what we will do, we'll select this line and we'll click on transfer stock in plant. So it will navigate to this application, transfer stock in plant. If you want to directly execute this application, you can directly execute. Let me go back, transfer stock in plant and transfer stock cross plant. So first of all we'll select transfer stock in plant. So what is our material? Our material is test hyphen FG M84, and what is our plant code? Our plant code is 1711. So see, to do this stock transfer within plant, what application we are using? We are using application transfer stock hyphen in hyphen plant. Transfer stock in plant. Here I want to move stock from 0001 store location to 0002 station. Currently in 0001 how much stock is present? 100 stock is present, and in 0002 0 stock is available, and I want to do this stock transfer with one step procedure. Means within one step I want to move stock from storage location 0001 to storage location 0002. So what we will do, from which storage location I want to move stock? From this. So here I will click on this button, and I want to move stock with one step procedure. Means within same step stock will decrease from this 0001 solution, and it will increase to 0002 solution. So for this we need to click on this down arrow button of 0002 solution under unrestricted stock column. So see, if you once you click on this, one pop-up will appear. So here you can see issuing store location. What is issuing store location? 0001. Okay, it means it is our supplying storage location. Currently, how much stock is available? 100 quantities available. What is the stock type? We selected unrestricted use stock type we selected. And what is our receiving store location? Our receiving store location is 0002. Under which stock type? Okay, we are going to receive the stock under unrestricted use stock category. We are going to receive this stock. Currently, how much stock present under this 0002? 0 quantity stock present under this 0002. And now, how much quantity you want to transfer? Let's say I want to transfer 10 quantity. Let's say I want to transfer 10 quantity. So here I am entering 10 quantity. So here system is picked system date, okay, as a document date and posting date. Any other details you want to enter, like document text, header text, you can put here, or you want to attach any document, you can attach here. And if you want to post, if you want to save or post this document, then click on post button. So see, once you click on post button, okay, one message will appear, material document created. Let me copy this. Okay, material document created. I'm just clicking on OK button. See, so here what happened with this movement? What happened? Okay, stock got decreased, okay, in 0001 store location, and it got increased in 0002 storage location. And what result we got? Okay, with this stock transfer movement, okay, one material document, okay, got created, and that material document number is this 494 times 0 7747. If I open this material document in a display mode, let me go to Migo transaction in GUI. Here, okay, we'll enter that material document number. Okay, so see, under this is the header section. Okay, here you can see document info, under document info tab. Okay, who has entered this, okay, stock transfer movement, and on what date, at what time, okay, this movement happened. Okay, so this information, okay, you can see under header label doc info tab. Then in a transfer posting tab, here it will show, okay, for which material we did stock transfer movement, from which plant, which store location, okay, we remove stock, and under which store location we place that stock. Okay, here it will show. If you go to where section, where tab, here you can see movement tab. So for this one step procedure, what movement type system triggered? System triggered 311 movement type. It means for stock transfer, store to store stock transfer with one step procedure, okay, with what movement type we do this stock transfer activity? With 311 movement type. With 311 movement type. So with this 311 movement type, what happened? Okay, one material document got created, and the second result what we observed, okay, stock decrease in supplying storage location or issuing location, and the stock increase in receiving storage location. And one more thing we'll check. If you go to this header section doc info tab, just click on FI document. See what message we got? No subsequent document found in accounting. It means, okay, if in interview, if interviewer will ask, okay, during stock transfer movement with 311 movement type, okay, whether accounting document gets created or not. So what answers you can give? With this 311 movement, at the same time, okay, what happened? Stock decrease in supplying solution and increase in receiving store location. Second result we observe is material document created, but no accounting document created. No accounting document created. Why this? Okay, why accounting document is not created? Because this stock transfer movement, okay, this stock transfer movement which we did, that movement we did, okay, within the same plant, okay, within same valuation area or within a same plant. That's why, okay, accounting document has not created. Now next thing, okay, we'll check stock transfer or store to store stock transfer with two-step procedure. With two-step procedure. So for this we'll go to our presentation. Okay, so this is one-step procedure. So here what happened, okay, with one-step procedure, okay, at the same time, okay, stock removed from this supplying solution and, okay, received into our receiving storage location. Now we'll go to two-step procedure. So in two-step procedure what happens, okay, this stock transfer movement happens in two different steps. So in first step what happens, okay, in first step system removes stock from this issuing store location and place into transit, and in the next step or in second step we remove stock from transit and place into receiving storage location. It means, okay, with this two-step procedure, okay, this stock transfer movement happens in two steps. Okay, in first step we remove stock from issuing solution, and in second step we place that stock from transit to receiving storage location. And for this two-step procedure, what movement system determines? System perform this two-step activity with movement type 313 and 315. So we'll check these movements in our system. So for this we'll go back to our system. Yeah. Now what I want to do is I want to perform store to store stock transfer with two-step procedure. So in this case what I will do currently, okay, as per this stock overview, how much stock present in 0001, okay, under 0001 we have a 90 quantity stock available, and in 0002, okay, we have 10 quantity stock available. Now for this stock store to store stock transfer with two-step procedure, what we'll do, we'll transfer stock from 0002 to 0001. How much quantity we will transfer? We will transfer 10 quantity from 0002 to 0001. Means from this 0002 we will transfer this 10 quantity to this 0001. So for this what we'll do, from which station you want to transfer stock? From 0002. So click on this upward arrow button, and now I want to perform this stock transfer with two-step procedure. So for this you need to click here stock transfer storage location. So under what is our receiving store location? Our receiving store location is 0001. So click here. Now see, in this pop-up, issuing storage location is 0002. It means this is our supplying storage location. Okay, how much stock currently available? 10 quantity available. And what is our receiving storage location? Our receiving storage location is 0001, but under which stock type, okay, we are going to receive the stock? Under stock transfer category or under transit category we are going to receive stock. Currently 0 quantity available under this stock transfer category or stock category. How much quantity we want to transfer? We want to transfer 10 quantity. So here I enter 10 quantity, and now I am clicking on post button. So right now here you can see under this stock transfer store location, how much stock is present? 0 stock is present. Once I click on post button, see what happens. I clicked on post button. So with this movement, what happened? First of all, system, okay, has system created one material document. Let me copy this material document. Next, what what here earlier 0 quantity was present, right? But now it is showing 10 quantity, and in unrestricted use stock it is showing 90. It means what happened with this movement, stock removed, okay, we remove stock from issuing or supplying store location, and that stock we place under stock transfer or in transit, okay, or in stock transfer or in transit. Now I want to move this stock, okay, I want to move this stock from stock transfer solution to, okay, unrestricted stock. Means I want to move this stock from transit to 0001. So how you can move this stock from transit to this 0001 solution? So for this you have to click on this upward arrow button, and where you want to place the stock, under unrestricted use stock category 0001. So click on this button. So here you can see issuing storage location is 0001, but what is the stock type? Stock type is stock transfer storage location, okay. And what is our receiving store location? Our receiving store location is 0001. What is the stock type? Unrestricted use stock. How much quantity you want to transfer? I want to transfer 10 quantity, okay. So all details we entered, we verified it, and we will click on post button. Now see what happened. So with this movement, okay, stock decreased in stock transfer solution category, and it increased in unrestricted use category under 0001. And with this, okay, one material document has created. Let me copy this material document. So here we in one step procedure, okay, what movement type system triggered? 311. So with this 311 we perform store to store stock transfer with one step procedure, and in this one step procedure, okay, one material document got created, and within one step we remove stock from supplying store location and we place into receiving store location, okay. Then second scenario we checked store to store stock transfer with two step procedure. So with this two step procedure, okay, what happened in first step, okay, in first step stock removed, okay, in first step what happened, let me write here, in first step stock removed from supply store, okay, and placed into stock transfer storage location. Then, okay, so during this step, okay, what material document system created? So for this first step, okay, this material document system created. So we'll open this material document in our GUI system. Let me paste here that material document. So this is the material document created in a first step. So if you go to where tab, so here you can see for the first step what movement triggered? 313 movement trigger. It means for this first step, okay, stock removed from supply store and placed into stock transfer. So for this what movement type system triggered? System triggered movements 313. Now in second step, what happened? Okay, stock removed from stock transfer location and placed into receiving storage location. Okay, and for this, okay, what material document system created for this material document system has created. So we'll open this document in our Fiori. Okay, so here, okay, you can, if you click on this link, okay, here it will show this material document. Okay, here you can see under general information, here you can see document date, posting date, document type. Okay, all information you can see. Then at item level, here you can see what for what material, okay, how much quantity, okay, we did this movement. If you go to line item details, under line item details, we can see for how much quantity, okay, we perform this movement. We go back. Okay, here also you can see process flow. Now I will open this document in GUI system. So here you can see what happened. If you go to where tab, see what movement triggered 315. So with this 315 movement, what happened? System, what system did? System removed stock from transit and it placed into receiving store location 0001. Okay, it placed into 0001 store location. And if you go to doc info tab and if you click on FI document, see what message we received? No subsequent document found in accounting. It means here also, okay, what happened if you do stock transfer, okay, with two-step procedure, system creates material document, okay, but it does not create accounting document, because here also we perform stock transfer movement within plant, okay, within valuation area, okay, this stock transfer movement happened, okay, that's why, okay, system has not created any accounting entries. So this is about store to store stock transfer with one step procedure and two step procedure. And to perform this store to store stock transfer with one step and two step, what application we use? We use application transfer stock in plant. In plant means within same plant, okay, we did stock transfer movement from one store to other store. Similarly, if I want to perform stock transfer movement from one plant to other plant, then what application we need to use? If I go back, again type transfer stock, see, transfer stock cross plant means from one plant to other plant. Okay, here enter material code. Let's say material code is test FGMAT4. Yes, FGMAT4. Now what application we are using? We are using application transfer stock cross plant. So here I am writing transfer stock cross plant. Okay, and what movement we are going to do? Okay, we are going to perform plant to plant stock transfer. Okay, here with this application we are going to perform plant to plant stock transfer. First of all, we will perform plant to plant stock transfer with one step method or with one step procedure. With one step procedure. So for this, okay, we need to consider two plants. So here we'll consider plant code. Here we'll consider one plant 1711 and other plant 1713. So within these two plant will perform this stock transfer movement. So currently here you can see the stock status. So we have 100 quantity stock available in 1711 plant, and in 1713 plant we don't have any stock, zero stock available. Now I want to transfer stock from 1711 to 1713. We want to transfer stock from 1711 to 1713. So for this, okay, one more thing we'll check. Let me go back. Let me open MM60. Okay, here we'll open this material code test -FGM84, and here we'll enter plant code 1711 to 1713. Click on execute. So see, this material is present in both the plant 1711 1713. Okay, it has a material type FERT, and okay, for this plant 1711, okay, what price control indicator maintained? Price control indicator maintained is V, and price is 99 point something. Okay, and for this 1713, what price control indicator is maintained? S 90. Sorry, price is 90. So what we'll do, we'll consider first case 1. Supplying plant price control, supplying plant price control indicator S or V. Okay, what supplying plant we are considering? We are considering supplying plant as a 1711. Let me write here. Supplying plant we are considering 1711, and we are going to consider receiving plant 1713. So in supplying plant, okay, we check, right? In supplying plant 1711, okay, what is the price control indicator? V, but here I am just mentioning, okay, S or V, whatever it may be. And in receiving plant, let me write here, okay, we have V, right? So let me write here V. In receiving plant, what is the price control indicator present? S, right? Then what is the price in supplying plant? In supplying plant, price is 99.80. Here I will just mention, in supplying plant price is 99.80, and in receiving plant price is 90. Now, okay, if we do stock transfer movement, let's see, okay, what happens. If I go back, now I want to transfer stock from 1711 to 1713 with one step procedure. So here, okay, which stock I want to transfer? This unrestricted stock transfer from 1711. So I will click on this upward arrow button here, and where I want to transfer stock, I want to transfer stock, okay, to 1713 with one step. So here under unrestricted use stock, okay, category, I will click on this down arrow button. So see, in pop-up, okay, here we will get clear picture. What is our issuing or supplying plant? Our supplying plant is 1711, okay, and what is our receiving plant? Our receiving plant is 1713, and here you can see what is the stock type. Okay, in supplying plant, stock type is unrestricted use stock, and receiving plant also, our stock type is unrestricted use stock. Okay, it means, okay, here we are directly transferring stock from 1711 to 1713 with one step. Mean within one step it will remove stock from this issuing plant, and it will add, or it will store the stock into receiving plant. How much quantity I want to transfer? Let's say I want to transfer one quantity. See, I want to transfer one quantity. earlier. Okay, right now in 1711 100 stock is present, and in 1713 0 stock is present. Let me click on post button. So with this movement, what happened? See, from 1711 one quantity stock, okay, got decreased and it got added into 1713. Means within the same step, stock decreased in supplying plant and stock increased in receiving plant. What next result we found? System has created one material document. System has created one material document. Let me copy this material document number. Okay. First result we observe? Stock with this one step. Okay, within one step, stock decreased in supplying plant and increase in receiving plant. Second result, what we observed? System created one material document. Let me open this material document in Fiori. If I click on this link or material document, here it will show this material document information. Here, okay, under goods movement type column, here it will show, okay, this stock transfer movement, okay, system perform with what movement type? System perform this stock transfer movement, okay, with movement type 301. It means this stock transfer movement with this one step procedure, okay, stock has transferred from 1711 to 1713 with movement type 301. With 301 movement type. Okay, go to process flow. See, issuing stock, receiving stock, and here also it's showing accounting document. Okay, so it means, okay, in the background what happened? Okay, system has created one accounting document also. System has created one accounting document also. Let me open this document in GUI. So go to display mode. Here we enter that material document number. Press enter button. Go to document info tab. Click on FI document. See, okay, with this, okay, when we are performing plant to plant stock transfer, the system creates accounting document. Why system has created accounting document? Because here we are transferring stock from one evaluation area to other evaluation area, right? Outside evaluation area we are doing this movement. That's why system has created this accounting document. Just double click on this accounting document. Choose. Okay, so see here, okay, system has created accounting document, and what accounting entry system generated? Okay, first entry. Okay, first entry has amount 99.800 minus, and what is the plant code in first line? 1711. It means what happened? Let me tell you, okay, how this accounting entries generated. Okay, with this movement, supplying stock value, okay, with, I think I have already prepared one document for it. What is the case? Yeah, or I will write here, supplying stock value with BSX transaction key. Is what system does. If you go back to our accounting document, okay, system posts this value into this GL account, okay, with this transaction key BSX. It means this supplying stock value, okay, system posts into GL account with BSX transaction key. And for this, what formula system use, okay, how much quantity we transfer. Suppose we transfer, okay, quantity into supplying plant price. What is our how much quantity we transferred? We transferred one quantity, right? And how much price in the supplying plant? Okay, we maintain supplying plant. What price we maintain in supplying plant? Okay, we maintain supplying plant price as a 99.80. 99.80. So how? Okay, so total value is 99.80. So with this value, okay, our stock will decrease, okay, in supplying plant. Now system will post one entry in receiving plant. So receiving plant stock, okay, receiving stock with in receiving plant, system will post, okay, accounting entries, okay, in receiving plant GL inventory GL account. System will post, okay, accounting entry with BSX transaction key. And for this, what formula system will refer? Quantity into receiving plant price. Why receiving plant, okay, price we are considering? Because in material master, what price control indicator is maintained? Price control indicator maintained is S. S means standard price. So remember this point, okay. If receiving plant material has a price control indicator S, means standard price, then receiving stock value will be updated, okay, with formula quantity into receiving plant price. So what is receiving plant price? So receiving plant price is 90. So 1 into 90, it means 90. Okay. So inventory GL account will be debited with this, okay, price in receiving plant. So if there is a price difference, okay, if there is a price difference, so that price difference system will post, okay, with AUM transaction key. If there is a price difference, it will be posted into price difference GL account with AUM transaction key. So what is the difference? 99.80 and 90. It means 9.80, right? So this difference system will post into price difference GL account. This difference system will post into price difference GL account. Okay, with what transaction key? With AUM transaction key. Understood? Let me go back to Fiori. So here, okay, we transferred stock from 1711 to 1713. Now we'll do reverse action. Let's say now our supplying plant is 1713 and receiving plant is 1711. Okay, our supplying plant is 1713 and receiving plant is 1711. How much quantity we want to transfer? I want to transfer, let's say, one quantity. Okay, what is the material price in supplying plant and receiving plant? Let's say, and also price control indicator. Supplying plant price control indicator. So if you go to MM60 screen, so this is our supplying plant, right? So in supplying plant, what is the price control indicator? S. S means standard. So here I am writing S. And what is the price? 90. Similarly, let me copy this. In receiving plant, okay, receiving plant price control indicator. What is the receiving plant? Okay, this is our receiving plant, right? What is the price control indicator? V. And what is the price maintained? 99.80. So here I am writing V 99.80. So here we are transferring stock from 1713. Here I am writing here I am transferring stock from 1713 to 1711. And if this is the case, okay, where receiving plant material has a price control indicator V, okay, let's see, okay, how accounting entry system generates. Let me go back to Fiori. Now okay, what is my supplying plant? My supplying plant is 1713. So here I will click on this up arrow button in supplying plant. Where I want to place the stock, I want to place the stock under 1711 unrestricted stock. Means within same step, within single step, I want to remove stock from 1713 and I want to place stock under plant 1711. So I will click here down arrow button. So see, what is our issuing plant? Our issuing plant is 1713. Okay, what is the stock type? Unrestricted stock. Okay, currently one quantity available. What is my receiving plant? 1711. Where I want to put stock? Under unrestricted stock. What is current quantity? 99. And how much quantity I want to transfer? I want to transfer one quantity. Click on post. See, with this what happened? So with this, okay, within here also within one step, okay, stock decreased. Okay, here also we perform one step, okay, procedure within one step stock decreased in supplying plant. What is our supplying plant? Our supplying plant is 1713 and increased in receiving plant. What is our receiving plant? 1711. Correct. What second result we observed? Okay, second result is one material document system has created. Let me copy this material document number. Okay, here I'm pasting. Okay, one material document got created. If you click on this material document, here it will show all the information. So see, here also goods movement type, okay, system triggered is 301. Means with this 301, okay, we managed to transfer stock from one plant to other plant. Okay, one plant to other plant. And if I click on process flow tab, so here it will show this issuing stock and receiving stock. Okay, so what is our supplying plant? Our supplying plant was 1713. Okay, and what is our receiving plant? 1711. So here it will show, okay, from which location, from which stock type, okay, we remove stock, and from to which location and to which stock type, okay, we place that stock. And in the background, okay, system has created one accounting entry, and this is the accounting document number. Let me open this material document in GUI. Okay, so this accounting if you want to see account document, how you can see, okay, you have to go into header section, header data, click on document info tab and then click on F5 document. So here it will show accounting document. Double click on this accounting document. So see, here we have two lines. Let me select my layout. Yeah. So here we have two entries available. First entry is for 1713 plant. Okay, here it is showing minus, right? It means amount got credited from supplying plant and it got debited in receiving plant. So from this supplying plant stock has decreased and it got increased in receiving plant. So here if this is the case where supplying plant has a price control indicator S or V, it doesn't matter. But if in receiving plant, just remember this thing, if in receiving plant this price control indicator is V, then see how system generates accounting entries. First of all, we'll check supplying stock. So supplying stock value, how system calculates supplying stock value with BSX transaction key. How system calculates? System check how much quantity we transferred into supply plant price. So here how much quantity we transferred? One quantity we transferred. And what is the supplying plant price? Here supplying plant price is 90. Supplying plant price is 90 equal to 90. 1 into 90 means equal to 90. And how system calculates receiving stock value? System calculates receiving stock value and it goes into inventory GL account with BSX transaction key. And to calculate this, what formula system apply? Quantity into system checks. What is the price control indicator? Just remember, for this receiving stock value calculation, system checks what is the price control indicator in receiving plant. So in our case, receiving plant has a price control indicator V. Price control indicator is V. If receiving plant has a price control indicator V, it means system will calculate this receiving stock value with supplying plant price. So what is supplying plant price? Supplying plant price is 90. So 1 into 90, it becomes 90. So from supplying plant stock value gets decreased, and it got added into receiving plant. So what is the difference between these two cases? In this case, receiving plant has a price control indicator V. That's why during receiving stock value calculation, system considered supplying plant price. If receiving plant has a price control indicator standard, then for receiving stock value calculation, system consider receiving plant price. And here you can see there is no difference in supplying stock value and receiving stock value. That's why system didn't put any entry in price difference GL account. So this is about one step procedure. Now if I want to perform plant to plant stock transfer, with two step. If you want to perform plant to plant stock transfer with two step procedure, let's see how it actually performs. If you go back, transfer stock cross plant, right? In plant means within same plant, cross plants mean different plant within different plants. What is our material code? Our material code is test FGMAT4. Here, now I want to transfer stock from this 1711. This is my supplying plant, and what is my receiving plant? 1713. But I want to perform in two step. In first step, I want to remove stock from 1711. And it will put that stock in transit stock transfer plant, right? Let me show you. I am performing first step. So in first step, okay, will remove stock from unrestricted use stock. So I am clicking on this up arrow button, and where I want to place the stock, I want to place the stock under transit stock transfer plant. Okay, so here click on this stock transfer plant down arrow under 1713. This is receiving plant. Okay, just remember, okay, if the stock comes under transit, it means, okay, it belongs to receiving plant or receiving store location. So here we need to click on the stock transfer plant in receiving plant. So see in pop-up, what is my supplying plant? 1711. What is the stock type? Unrestricted use stock. But in receiving plants, in receiving section, here you can see what is my receiving plant? 1713. But what is the stock type? Stock transfer plant. It means, okay, it will not with this movement, okay, stock will not come directly under unrestricted. Okay, it will be placed under transit category, stock transfer plant category. So here how much quantity I want to transfer? I want to transfer 10 quantity. Click on post. So with this, okay, with this what happened? See, stock, okay, stock gets decreased in supplying plant. Earlier it was 100, now it's showing 90, right? Means stock get decreased in supplying plant, and okay, it got increased in stock transfer plant in receiving. Okay, and one material document got created. What is the material document? Okay, let me copy. And also I will click on this material document number or material document. Here I want to see what is the movement type triggered. See, for this two-step procedure, okay, what happens if we perform first step where system removes stock from supplying plant? So for this, system determines 303 movement. It means in first step, okay, first step, what happens in first step? Stock decreased in supplying plant and increase in stock in transfer plant, right? And material document get created, and also this material document created with movement type. Here I am just writing with movement type 303. We will also check, okay, if any accounting entry is generated or not. If we go to process flow, so here you can see in issuing stock, okay, it is showing minus, means from supplying plant side, okay, stock will decrease, and in receiving section, okay, stock will increase. Okay, it will increase in stock transfer plant category. And here you can see one accounting document. It means, okay, in background system has created one accounting document. So let me copy this material document number. Yeah, if I go to doc info tab, click on FI document, see here it shows accounting document. It means under, okay, in this two-step procedure, what happens? Okay, system creates accounting entry in first step. Okay, accounting document created in first step only. Okay, in first step only, okay, accounting document has created. Here, okay, as I explained earlier, okay, system stock value gets decreased, okay, from supplying plant, okay, with this value, and it gets increased into stock transfer plant category with this value, and whatever the price difference is there, it will be posted into AM transaction. Okay, so mean in first step only, okay, system post that inventory value into receiving plant. So here, okay, you can see although the stock is available under stock in transfer category, but still, okay, that ownership, okay, transferred, okay, to receiving plant 1713. Now going back to Fiori. So see, from supplying side, okay, stock, what happened, okay, stock gets decreased in from unrestricted stock, and it got increase in stock transfer plant category in receiving. Now I want to transfer stock, okay, from, suppose the stock is received, okay, physically stock is received, okay, in 1713 plant premise. Now I want to transfer stock from this transit category to unrestricted stock category. How I can transfer? Click on this upward arrow button, and where you want to place, I want to place under unrestricted use stock category in 1713. So click on this down arrow. So in pop-up here it will show our issuing plant is 1713, stock category is stock transfer plant, and where you need to, where I want to put stock, I want to put stock under 1713 in receiving plant solution 0001, and under this stock category unrestricted stock. Okay, how much quantity I want to put? 10 quantity I want to put. Click on post. So with this movement, what happened? Okay, see, from stock transfer plant, okay, stock gets decreased and it got increased into unrestricted stock. Second difference, second result, system has created one material document. Let me copy this material document. Second step, okay. In second step, what we observed? Stock decrease in stock transfer plant category and increase in receiving plant. Second result, what we observed? One material document system created. One material document system has created. If we open this material document, see what movement is, okay, with what movement this material document got created. So see, so this second step system, okay, for the second step, this material document system created with movement type 305. 305, okay. And also we'll check if there is accounting document generated or not. Go to process flow. See here what system is showing? Is showing stock and receiving stock. There is no accounting document. Let me check in GUI also. Okay, go to FI document. See, no subsequent document found in. It means with this 305, okay, no accounting document generated. In interview, okay, interviewer will ask, okay, with 305, okay, whether accounting document get generated or not, okay. Then what answer you have to give? Okay, with 305, okay, no accounting document gets generated. Then he will ask why big. Then you have to say, okay, for 305 movement, okay, we use for two-step stock transfer from one plant to other plant. But in this case, okay, the accounting document, accounting entry gets generated, okay, in first step only, and in first step we use 303 movement, right? So in first step only, okay, system posts the accounting entries in both the valuation areas. That's why, okay, system doesn't create accounting document in second step. So what we observed is, okay, we saw four scenarios. First scenario, we saw store to store stock transfer with one step procedure, and here we check, okay, with what movement type we perform this stock transfer with 311 movement type. Second scenario, we perform store to store stock transfer with two step. For this, okay, what movement type system triggered? Movement with 313 and 315. Okay, we perform this stock show to show stock transfer with two-step procedure. Then third scenario we see plant to plant stock transfer. Plant to plant stock transfer with one step procedure. Okay, and we perform this movement, okay, with we perform this transaction with movement type 301. And next scenario we perform plant to plant stock transfer with two-step procedure with what movement type 303 and 305. Right, and okay, see these two scenario we perform within plant. Okay, within plant, and these two scenario we perform across plant or cross plant. You can see cross plant, but within same company code. Within same company code. Within same company code. Here we use, okay, what applications we use for this? Okay, we use application transfer stock. For this we use transfer stock cross plant, and here for this we use transfer stock in plant application. So this is about stock transfer movements. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching and keep learning. Bye.